Now we're going to show you how to finish pieces using the flex shaft machine. The flex shaft machine is one of the most common tools at a jeweler's bench. Be careful when you do this, and then gently press the foot pedal, and then it closes it pretty rapidly.
Will not scratch your stone, so you can sand and polish right up to the edge of the stone.
Be careful, you can hear this mandrel kind of hitting against the metal. So really I'd want a little bit bigger bristles on these, with these hairs. See these little scratches right there? Right there, right there. You want to get those out.
There we go.